educational toys, games, and books. Hello, fans, and I'm Laura, and this is my sister Luna. And today we're gonna open a smoothie maker blender set.
Yep, and we're gonna play with it today.
It has a protein powder, milk, strawberries, and that kind of stuff.
Right there.
We
It's
have
the
salad,
Melissa
blueberries,
and
and
Doug
cake, and
Smoothie Maker blender set. What does it come with, girls?
So it comes with a smoothie, some strawberries, bananas, carrots, you regular stuff.
and salad.
And protein powder thing, and shopping list. Now let's get this open.
Yeah. Let's open.
Try or you're at gaming or you're a member with them. I'm a big fan, but I'm not a member.
So what does it come with?
So let's open it and find out.
You got
It has a nice.
Salad.
Can we make a smoothie? Wait, no, the thing's not chopped yet, Luna. Milk, strawberry, blend. Milk and strawberry. Let's start
this
with
is everything it comes with.
strawberry. Wait, we have to cut it. Can I cut it?
No, I don't want to.
And let's use bananas. Can I cut the bananas? I want to cut the bananas. Luna, let's put the strawberries in. Can I cut the bananas? I want to cut the bananas. Everybody, it's
And I will put milk in it.
we're gonna get close to this.
I'm gonna put this. It's ready.
Wait, it's not ready. Wait, I have an idea. There's some. Give me.
And let's put milk in it.
And here we are. It looks like a delicious drink thing. Looks like it's orange and green. I just stole this from the smoothie. And let's pour it in. Our drink. And I'm gonna take this out and put it back in, which is kind of awkward for me. So now.
Well, let's put this all back in here.
Now I'm gonna get everything. I'm gonna enjoy this delicious drink. So delicious. Now, can I?
Try to keep it steady.
And today's this little one's birthday. So give us a thumbs up and give us a subscribe because today is Luna's birthday and she is turning 3. Can we? All these recipes need protein powder. Luna, can I make a smoothie now?